Hey you guys, welcome back to our channel. Keyondra here of Jolie Noire. I am excited about today's video because I am showing my skincare routine, my morning skincare routine, but I'm adding a couple of other things into my routine. I've been doing this now, the things that I'm adding, for about a month and about a month and some. And I'm excited about it because these are the things that I find now that are bringing me the results that I'm liking, and the results that I've been wanting for some time now. So I'm going to show you guys what I do for extra hydration, not just drinking water, but other things that help with hydration, circulation as well. Blood circulation is a big deal as it relates to your skin, period. And if you're not getting like the proper nutrients, then you're not getting proper blood circulation. And blood circulation definitely helps with the plumpness of skin, you know, how your skin looks, the tone of it. I had been doing a lot of things with like products that help with, you know, having an even tone and things like that. But you'd be surprised at how just good blood circulation helps to, you know, help with you having a great tone, having plumpness of skin. And even my lips, like they had, you know, had kind of like seemed a little pinkish, if you will, where they're like light pink, and just needed more circulation. And things that help with that are supplements, and I'm going to show you guys the supplements that I've been taking. I'm going to go in here and do my emails for Jolie Noire. I am actually doing this video kind of like a vlog style. So I kind of wanted to do something that was a little bit different from our normal way of presenting other topics that we do. Kim did a skincare routine, both her morning and night routine, a couple months ago, and she did it kind of like this, like kind of along the lines of this style. And so I was like, okay, you know what? We'll just continue with that type of, you know, with that type of feel because you guys love the vlogs. I'm gonna go and prepare my lemon water now and I'll show y'all what I do. It's simple, but either way, just gonna show y'all what I do throughout the whole time for my skincare. Okay, so these here go at the bottom of the swivel organizer. And they go at the bottom because I really like the warmer, redder tones at the top and the cooler, bluer tones at the bottom. So I'm going to put all of these on the bottom. Okay, so now that I have my skincare products organized, I'm good, I'm back in business, everything is wiped down. I'm gonna go ahead and get started with my skincare routine. And what I'm pulling for this morning is my L'Occitane Gentle Face Wash. I'm going to do all of my clearance products. So the under eye serum, the face serum, and then I am going to go with that moisturizer. And then I'm going to do my Lancome SPF. So I'm about to show you guys that. So y'all, I'm almost out of this and I just gotta go and get some more, but it is one of the best SPFs I've ever used. One of the best. And it works on all skin types. Go and get it. I know it's the most priciest one. It is rather, it's the most priciest one that I've used. Or, yeah, that I've used. Yeah, it is. But it's bomb. It makes my skin feel really good. It protects very well. It's not cakey and sticky. And I can tell even by like when I put it on my hands even feel good. They look good. And that's what an SPF is supposed to do. It's a skin barrier. It's a protector. And my skin, it looks good, it feels good with all of the products that I used. All of the products that I used will be in my in the description box and in my LTK. My LTK is at Keyondra Lockett. And if you are not able to find it through LTK, you can go on my Instagram at Keyondra Lockett and click on my bio and find it through there. Let me put on some lip oil. Okay, and this is the Fat Oil by NYX. And when I started using lip oil, this was my jam. And I went back to it. I saw another creator that we follow. You've probably heard us talk about her all the time. She's one of our favorites. Her name is Elisha Tania. And she was using this and I was like, you know what? I'm gonna go back to that because like, it's really good. Very moisturizing. It's not sticky and it gets the job done. So yeah, very good. Again, all of the products will be in my LTK in the description box, and you can get them also through my LTK. And yeah, it looks so good. Healthy, glowy skin. Not with just products, but with doing things internal as well. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope y'all enjoyed. Y'all know me, I am so bad at like, you know, making sure that you know, people understand and know what it is that I'm talking about. Because I be wanting people to understand, so I have to like over explain and all that kind of stuff. And I've never proclaimed either at being like a guru for skincare. I'm not. I just know what works for me, y'all. And people ask, and so I'm like, okay, people are asking, I'll give, you know, the things that I do for me that work personally for me. And yeah, hopefully some of these products will work for you guys. So yeah, really only thing I would say is it's consistency that's gotten my skin to where it is right now. Consistently doing all the things that I've been doing. And if you never use any of the products that I use, if you never take any of the advice that I give, whatever advice you take, whatever products you use, just be consistent with them and you'll see the results. All right? Love y'all. Peace.